If DaVinci Resolve is showing a general error, don't worry. This is usually caused by cache corruption or unstable GPU and memory settings. And in this video, I'll walk you through a simple fix step by step. Make sure to watch all the way through because the last step is just as important as the first. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve fixes and editing tutorials. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. This matters because we want to confirm you're working in the project where the error is happening. If the error appears during playback, rendering, or timeline interaction, this method can help clear out the issue. Now go to the top menu and click Playback. From the drop-down, choose Delete Render Cache, then select All. This is one of the most effective first steps because it clears out any corrupted render cache files that may be causing the general error. Sometimes Resolve stores temporary data that becomes damaged or conflicts with your project, and clearing it forces the software to rebuild everything cleanly. Once that's done, give Resolve a moment to finish removing the cache. If you have a large project, this can take a little time, but it's worth it. After the cache is cleared, we're going to check the system settings, because GPU or memory instability is another very common reason this error happens. Next, go up to DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar and click Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for Memory and GPU. This section controls how Resolve uses your hardware, and if the settings are not aligned with your system, it can trigger errors during editing or playback. Inside the memory and GPU settings, look for GPU processing mode. Change it to CUDA if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, or OpenCL if that's the better option for your system. The goal here is to use a GPU processing mode that is stable and compatible with your hardware. If Resolve was set to an unstable or incorrect option, switching it can immediately improve performance and stop the general error from coming back. After making that change, confirm your settings, then close Preferences. At this point, the best next step is to restart DaVinci Resolve completely. Don't just close the window, fully quit the application and open it again. Restarting helps refresh system resources, reload the GPU configuration, and make sure the new settings are actually applied properly. Once Resolve reopens, go back to the project and test the same timeline or action that was causing the problem. In many cases, the error will be gone after clearing the cache, correcting the GPU mode, and restarting the software. If it still appears, you may need to revisit your GPU drivers, check for updates, or reduce background load on your system. But for most users, this fix solves the general error quickly. To recap, the main causes are cache corruption and GPU or memory instability, and the fix is to delete the render cache, verify your GPU settings, set the correct GPU processing mode, and restart Resolve. These are simple steps, but they solve a lot of frustrating issues for editors. If this video helped you fix the general error in DaVinci Resolve, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more editing tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.